Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. So today I'm doing something different for you guys. I am going to be doing my room tour. I asked you guys on Snapchat if you guys would like to see that, and a lot of you guys said yeah. So I thought it was a great idea to show you guys my room and like how I organize my stuff and stuff like that. So yeah guys, oh, and by the way, I did dye my hair back to blonde. But anyways, if you guys would like to see my room tour, then please keep on watching. This is my room. This is the door, of course. It's just an ugly brown, and then once you like enter my room, you will see my bed and my mirror. So first of all, I love this cover or this blanket or whatever you want to call it. I actually got it at Ross. And then there's my mirror. I also got this mirror at Ross. I just love it so much. Just so perfect. By the way, I got the labels at Amazon, and they look like that. So I just turned it off, and then it goes to light, and then to more bright, and to bright. And right on top of my mirror, I do have my high school diploma and my boyfriend's diploma as well, and it just looks so cute right there. I do have this lamp, and guys, I need to like put it somewhere. I just don't like it here, or I just don't need it no more, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. And I do have all my shoes right here, well, my heels. It goes from like nudes to my dark black heels. And then right at the bottom, I do have my two Michael Kors bags right there. They just look so cute. And then right at the bottom, I just have some random stuff. And then on top of this, I do have these two frames. This one is a picture of my gender reveal. Actually, my boyfriend's cousin gifted to us, so it's so cute. And then right next to it, I do have an ultrasound that says it's a girl, and they actually gave this one to my sister, and then my sister gave it to me, of course, after we knew it was a girl. So yeah. And right next to my shoes, I do have all my jewelry. So I have some like bracelets right here that I don't really use that much, to be honest. And then I have all my fiance's watches. I have some of my necklaces right here, and then these are my fiance. So yeah, and then right next to it, I have more jewelry right there. They're mostly necklaces. And then I have this Alexis drawer. I got it at IKEA. And I also have more jewelry in here. So I have some of my hoop earrings, sunglasses, and then some of my watches, more earrings. And then right here, I do keep my engagement ring sometimes. And then the second drawer, I just have, wow, more jewelry. I have some of my chokers here, and here as well. And then right here, what do I have here? I don't know this. Oh, right here I have an album, like a photo album. I need to like fix it, to be honest, but yeah, I just left it there. And right here, I do have some of my sprays, perfumes, lotion, and stuff like that. And in this drawer, I keep all my fiance's like perfume and random stuff in here. And in the bottom drawers, I do keep all my underwears, like bras and stuff like that. So I don't want to go through that. So this is this section. And right here, there's my closet. And as you can see, there's a curtain right there, just because the door looked just like this one. It's just an ugly brown, and I just didn't like it, so we just put a curtain. And the curtains, we got them at Walmart. So here's my closet. Nothing special, but I'll show you guys. So this is how my closet looks like. It's pretty small, and it's crazy because me and my boyfriend have so much stuff, and I don't know how it fits in here, but yeah. Anyways, let's get started right here. Right here, I just have all my baby's clothes. I have all her like pants, shorts, So here is all her everyday clothes, and then right at the bottom I just have some socks, random stuff, and some random stuff as well. And here I have most of her clothes that she uses, and then right at the bottom I have her diaper bag right here, and then a random bag, some of my shoes right there. They're not organized at all, but whatever. And then I have this little cute bear right here, some of her blankets. She has so much blankets right now, but yeah. And then right on top I have all my clothes, jeans, shorts, tank tops, random stuff. And here's all my clothes right there. Right here at the back I have all my long sleeves, like winter stuff. So right next to my clothes there's my fiance's clothes, his shirts, some of his jeans right here, shorts. And then I do keep my ring light right here. And also this is the camera that I used to do my makeup tutorials, so I just keep that in here. And then right in back I do have 2 handbags right here as well. And I keep this mirror right here, and I don't know, I never use it, but I thought it looks so cute. And I think that's about it for my closet. Oh, and by the way, I do keep all my baby's toys here as well. And then right next to my closet there's my restroom right there. I don't want to go in there because, you know, it's just the restroom. I have my baby's crib right here, and I added this cute little sticker which says love. And then right here I have like her everyday stuff, meaning like her brush, her oil, her cream, and rubber bands, and her like headbands. I don't know, a bunch of stuff right there. And then right at the back I have all her medicines that she will need if she gets sick, like for example fever. And then in this thing I do have all her shoes and some more cream over there. So this is how her crib looks like. Yeah, pretty simple, cute. So right on top of the crib I do have this poster that says dream big little one. Is so cute. I got it at the 99-cent store. So crazy, but yeah. And then right on top I do have a picture when she was born, and the day she was born. It's just so cute. And I got the frame at Walmart, by the way. And right next to it I have this big frame that says family, and it has all those pictures. I thought it was so cute. And here's my baby when she was born. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. And then right next to it I have the TV up there, and right at the bottom I have all her baby pictures. So cute. Some of her ultrasound as well. And right here I keep all her dirty clothes right there. And right here I do keep a mat. I thought it was so cute. Actually my fiance got it at Walmart. I don't know if they still have it, but I thought it would look cute right there, so I just placed it there. And right next to her crib there's my vanity. So that's how my vanity looks so far. So I have this stand that is from Luxbox. Looks like this. I keep all my lipsticks right there, some of my perfumes right there, and then my boyfriend's control thingy for his Xbox, and 30 beauty blender, 30 as well. I have a little candle right here, so cute. I got it at Dollar Tree. I like the saying. It says be happy, be bright, and be you. I thought it was so cute, so I just got it. So I keep all my brushes right here, and oh my gosh, I need to fix them, but yeah. And then I keep my baby's formula here as well. And oh my gosh, look at this drawing, so freaking cute. My sister's friend drew this. This is Mia, by the way. I just need to like put it up somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but yeah. So here's a baby picture of my baby sister. She was a newborn right there. She's so freaking cute. And right now she's about to be 3. Oh my gosh, in January. It's crazy. Anyways, right on top I do keep frames right there. Well, they all come together. And then right on top I do keep this little gift that me and Mia did for Father's Day, so I thought it looked so cute right there. And then right next to it I do keep a Virgencita.
so cute as well. And then right next to it I keep this little poster. I love the coat, so yeah, I've been having that for a while now and I thought it would look cute right there. So yeah.
Anyways guys, I don't want to go into my vanity right now just because this video is just like a room tour. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys would like a makeup collection or something like that, and I'll do that for you guys. And by the way, the frame over there, I also got it at the 99-cent store. You can find so many things there, guys. I call it the ugly part because it's not that cute. I just have these two like bears, and then my baby's car seat, my school bag, and then I need to show you guys something real quick. This been so long, guys. 2014, like what? It's so crazy. We got this done at the Fresno Fair. So yeah, I just have it right there. It's just so cute. And I also have a fan here because sometimes it gets really hot. And then right there, as you can see, there's a big door. It's actually a legit big door. And I don't know, I just don't like it, but oh well, it comes with the room. So yeah guys, this is my room. Hopefully I don't forget anything. Okay guys, so I think that's about it. I don't know if you guys seen, but I'm pretty sure you guys seen. My room is mostly white and black. I don't know why, but I love like white furniture just because I'm able to like see if it's dirty or not. So yeah, and plus I feel like it's cuter like to have white furniture rather than like black, like brown. So yeah guys, and by the way, let me know if you guys want like a makeup collection and I'll do that for you guys, just because like I said earlier, I didn't want to go through my makeup because that will take longer. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.